Hey there, it's Catherine. In this video, we're going to use a lot of new products. We're going to use the Nested Labels dies. We're going to use the Seasonal Sentiments and Borders stamp set. We're going to use the Holiday Charms stamp set, along with the amazing Flourish background and our new Aspen sequin mix. So the first thing we're going to do is create a fabulous background. I'm using the Flourish background stamp. I'm inking it up with Versamark ink. This is a tacky ink. And then I'm adding my card layer on top. This is just a scratch piece of paper that is great, just kind of a buffer between the card layer and my hands. I'm just rubbing it and transferring that image from the stamp to the cardstock. And then I'm using my giant tub of Wow embossing powder in white. I'm pouring it over and then tapping off any excess. Give it a couple little flicks just to help get that excess powder off, and then heat set it. This is going to create a design that is going to resist ink. So when I take my Mardi Gras ink, which is a gorgeous green, and then my Suede Shoes ink, which is a gorgeous blue, and I use my ink blending tool. I'm just sponging that ink on, and the white design now will resist the ink and stays white. You can see there's a little bit of residue or a little bit of ink on there. You're just going to take a clean paper towel and rub it off, and you'll have a great, amazing, beautiful design popping through there. This is one of my all-time favorite techniques. Just look how beautiful this background piece is now. I don't know if you can see, there's a few little water droplets on there. I didn't show it in the video, but I did spray it down just a little bit with a spray bottle. It helped blend the colors a little bit more, and then I got some water splotches on there, which added to a really fun technique background piece. Now I have this Noel layer. This is from the Nested Labels dies, and the Noel is from that Seasonal Sentiments and Borders stamp set, which they were created to work perfectly together. And I have a label or a kind of border piece there that I die cut with the nested labels, and I just did two, and it created this border. And then I could do the Noel right in the center of it, which is really fun. Now I have this little poinsettia. That is from our Holiday Charm stamp set. I am not showing it in this video, but I have another video where I show you how to stamp and die cut and color a bunch of these images at once very quickly and kind of mass producing them. And then you have them on hand to embellish all kinds of different cards. It's really convenient to do it that way. And then I have our Aspen sequin mix, and I'm just going to add a few of those sequins here. This mix has white sequins and iridescent ones and snowflakes, and it's really, really cool. So here is the finished card. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe to my channel if you're new here, and I'll see you again soon.